Okay, one last one of these. I'm just doing this because we can do it. So here's my challenge for you. I want you to take ax squared plus bx plus c, and I want you to solve it for x using the techniques that we've done in our last videos. So pause this video. Seriously, pause it right now and do it. It's really easy. I know you can do it. Did you do it? I hope you did it. Okay, let's see. Let's do it. So remember, so a, b, and c, those are numbers. And we don't know anything about those numbers. So we're just going to go through the process. So I'm going to start with that a term, so the ax squared term. We can't assume it's a perfect square. So we're going to force it to be a perfect square. How are we going to do it? We're going to multiply through by a. So I get a squared x squared plus ax, whoops, that's abx. abx plus ac equals 0. Okay, nice, right? That's awesome. That's fantastic. That first term is a nice perfect square, just like we wanted. What do we always do next? Well, we look at the middle term. We don't know if that middle term's even or odd. No way of knowing, so we'll assume it's odd, and we're going to multiply through by 4. So we get 4a squared x squared plus 4abx plus 4ac equals 0. So, time to see what that becomes. Let's put that in a box. I am really hoping my box is big enough. This looks pretty scary. Let's see. So, 4a squared x squared. So that had to be 2ax. And this has to be 2ax. And then this was, we're taking that 4abx and we're dividing it into two pieces. So it is 2abx and 2abx. So what did I have to multiply 2ax to get 2abx? Well, I had to multiply it by b. So finally, what goes in that last box? Well, b squared. Okay. So what are we going to do to make this all work? Well, okay. So really think about it. I'm going to have to kind of go in 2 steps, and that's fine. I really want this. I want to make that 4ac. I want it to become b squared. And then really the easiest way to do that is I'm just going to subtract 4ac from both sides and then add b squared to both sides. So let's do that. So first thing is let's just subtract 4ac from both sides. So minus 4ac. And now, because I'm allowed to do that, absolutely. Now let's add b squared to both sides. So I get 4a squared x squared plus 4abx plus b squared equals b squared minus 4ac. Okay, looking good. So we know that this term on the left is a perfect square. So let's turn it into its perfect square. So that is 2ax plus b quantity squared equals b squared minus 4ac. So taking the square root of both sides, right? So that must mean that 2ax plus b has to equal either the square root of b squared minus 4ac, or it has to be equal to negative b squared minus 4ac. I fit it in. Yes. Okay. Let's keep on going, and I'm going to shift everything over to the left a little bit here. So I've got 2ax plus b equals that stuff, so I'm going to subtract b from everything. So I get 2ax equals negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, or negative b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And then finally, I am going to divide everything by 2a. And guess what we have? That right there is the quadratic formula. We just derived the quadratic formula, and you know what? It was pretty darn easy. I hope you agree. It wasn't too bad, right? Okay.